Previously on Survivor Southampton, Slaw was the victor of a pre-game puzzle challenge, gifting him an immunity idol for the start of the game. On the flip side, Sorensen arrived to the game late, putting a big target on his back.
I have been trying to get rid of Sam Sorensen for being late.
The first challenge saw 7 of our castaways gain immunity, with Beth outlasting Sorensen with a 7-minute plank to win an additional steal of vote advantage. Carolina, Oscar, Mark, Tom, Big Dog and Noel were all up for elimination. Having lasted the longest in the challenge of those eligible to be voted and branded as strong and snaky player, the castaways unanimously agreed to target Noel.
Yeah, he is strong. He should have lasted longer.
Whilst Noel highlighted Mark a threat due to his unbreakable couples alliance with Amy.
It's just anyone can make a mistake. Such as you guys not voting Mark off now.
Noel did his best to forge alliances with several castaways
A little alliance, I wouldn't have voted.
and look for an idol, while Mark took a more passive approach with his strategy.
I'm a big fan of Mario Kart DS.
I think I'm ready to vote.
I heard that Noel was trying to get
He's trying to get me out. I've heard this.
Noel gave one final desperate plea at Tribal Council.
Mark and Amy are like a divine alliance. I think target them, get Mark out. Mark, any thoughts on this accusation?
I think it's very, very apt. I think we probably will work together.
Which miraculously worked, as Beth and Carolina, concerned about an idol play from Noel, both voted for Tom. Max, Lenny and Mark himself threw their votes onto different players. Sorensen voted for one of the cameramen, and Ollie, Slaw and Tom all took up Noel's deal of an alliance.
I sort of made people vote for Noel, but then I voted for Mark.
Voting Mark out in a 4-3-2-2-1 vote.
Mark, you're trying to spoke.
With only Oscar, Amy and Big Dog actually writing down Noel's name. 12 players are left, who will be voted out tonight?
What a fun time to be alive. I thought I was going. And I'm not, I'm still here. Got a Mark out, a big player. Yeah, that round was a bit iffy.
Quite surprised that Mark got voted off. No. I thought Noel was a bigger target, you know?
That's why Mark got voted off, I think, is because I changed my vote, even after chatting shit about Noel.
Carrying a bit of guilt, we did vote for Mark in an attempt to get a bit of a swing if votes didn't go for Noel, which is exactly what happened. So it worked, but we didn't want to see Mark go. There are other players that may have been more beneficial to get out, including Noel. So we're definitely going to go back towards him.
This challenge will play in 2 teams of 6. One member of each team will be supported by the rest of their team, and you will then throw a disc to the other player that is being held by the members of the other team. So being held like that, leaning forward, you're throwing a disc to the player on the other team. If you drop the disc, then one of your teammates who is holding you is out of the challenge, and it is the last team to still have at least one player supporting their teammate that will all be immune. So first of all, if everyone that has necklaces can bring them back. Everyone can take a card. This way we'll determine the team captains. If you can reveal your card on 3, 2, 1. Okay, aces are captains. Oh, you two. So Sorensen and Tom are the team captains. Which one of you had the ace of spades?
I did.
Alright, you pick first. So you know what the challenge is, so pick your first teammate.
Noel.
Alright, Noel, head over.
So I got picked as one of the team captains. I chose Noel first. It was a tactical choice because he's got a lot of sway with a lot of people. I was hoping that he could have, well, having his like tactical mind on with voting people off would be quite good on my side.
Sorensen, your pick. Back to you, Tom. Sorensen. Tom.
Big dog.
Sorensen.
Lenny.
Tom.
Bell There you go.
Sorensen. Let's go. Alright, Amy by default joins Sorensen's team. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to have a quick team strategy chat as to who's going to hold, who's going to be the player being held, who throws, and then we'll get to
One person's being held. Everyone else is holding.
Who's throwing?
The person being held. Who is comfortable being held?
I'll be held.
The teams start close together, and every successful pass, you both step back.
No.
Right, okay. So it's got to be someone that's decent at throwing the free ball. I don't know.
Every now and then I just
you
shirk it on the wrong way.
Yeah, okay.
I can.
I trust Carolina referring. As long as you're happy being held.
We had to throw a disc to each other while other members of the team were holding me. Had to throw it. If we dropped it, we lost a member.
We just discuss who's most
Alright, that's
yeah,
time, let's get cracking.
Okay, that makes sense.
So just to recap the rules. Ace of spades, your team will start with the disc. You will then throw it to each other. Every successful throw, your team takes a step back. If any of your players that's throwing it drops the disc or makes a bad throw, then that team will then lose one of their players holding them in place. Yeah. Time is ready. Go!
Am I good to throw it?
Alright, both teams take a step back. Alright. Step back. Step back. Any lower the quality of the throw is a little bit.
Whoa! That was a bad throw!
Just because I caught it doesn't mean it's good throw.
Step back.
No!
Tom's team lose a player, please. Max, you can provide them with encouragement. Alright, better throw. Those ads have got to be in pain after all that planking. It looks out of her range.
Someone has to go.
I mean, let's be honest, Lenny wasn't doing a lot anyway.
Someone go.
Alright, Tom, yeah, someone's gone.
The second challenge, I really did nothing. I hope no one remembers that I literally contributed nothing to the team in that one.
Tom's team to throw. Oh, unfortunately that's a drop.
Oh.
Alright, Amy's now left from Beck's team. Nice
Yes.
throw. Yeah. Yeah, they did. Oh, bad throw unfortunately.
Beth, you got this. Beth, you got this.
Good job.
Alright.
I can sit over and I can stand on it. I can stand on it. Absolutely probably. If I move around.
That's two completed, step back.
Beth, like a pop pass. Push up on his... Oh no, push on his shoulders.
Right,
sorry, I shouldn't be giving.
It's got to be sad. You gotta go. Okay.
Let's team losing someone.
You know how to move it.
Oh, that's...
Did it? Okay, alright. Carolina's team, please lose one.
It has to be reachable, right? It has to be within their box of like, if they can't reach it, surely it's not.
What are you doing? I'm alright.
That's a good shot.
Great catch.
Oh!
Both teams step back.
You shuffle them up. Go higher.
I think one of you two is dropping. It's all on Ollie here.
Oh
I won't like to touch your skeleton.
Carolina's a throw.
Oh!
Unfortunately, the positions I was held was not very comfortable, and especially after doing a 7-minute plank and winning the planking challenge, it hurt a lot to be planking again. My abs are in pain, my arms are hurting, my legs are hurting.
Carolina seemed to lose a player.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh no!
Just drop her.
Sorry!
This is not good.
If they take too long, what happens?
Well, it looks like there's a chance Carolina touches the floor there. Good. Alright. Best to throw.
Good shot!
The frisbee thing could have gone either way. Very close.
Quite good.
Yeah! Oh!
Great effort.
Oh!
Beauty. Congratulations.
I just looked at us way doing it. It's alright.
Alright. Congratulations to both teams, very hard fought, and best team ultimately wins immunity. So if you could come and collect your necklaces, Lenny. Oscar, good scan. Sorensen.
I hope Lenny gets to the very end just by like scraping through on the team.
Amy. And Ollie. Alright, congratulations. I'll take that. And that begins the strategy for the round. 6 people up for elimination.